Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and I'm your host with Tea Cooks with FLAVE. Today we're in the kitchen and I really wanted to show you guys how I clean my chicken before cooking. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today we are in the kitchen and I'm gonna be showing you how I clean my chicken before cooking. So we have a whole chicken here. And I think I mentioned this before that the chicken I use is the organic chicken. So we're just gonna pop this open. And I know that this is the part that a lot of people, they don't like. Typically, I would get my chicken cut at the butcher shop, but I really wanted to do this one for you because from my understanding, not a lot of butcher shops have that option, I guess, or supermarkets, if you don't go to a butcher shop and you really go to a supermarket. We're gonna be breaking this up into small pieces. So we have the whole chicken here and I'm gonna start getting rid of all this excess fat here. I have a butter knife because I use that to help me with getting rid of excess skin. See, all that, I'm gonna remove this. And it comes off pretty easy. All this here, I'm gonna take it off. And any excess feather, you guys know already I am not the one. Not as hard as it looks, guys. It's really, really easy. So I'm gonna break this in half. Put this one here so I have more space on my board. I'm gonna take off the leg. Again, I'm gonna go in with my butter knife. And all that excess fat, I'm gonna take it out. I know there's a lot of persons that they prefer to keep the fat on. I mean, if that's what float your boat, guys, go right ahead. This is my way. I'm gonna be breaking this leg in half because I want my chicken, before I prepare it, I want this to be in smaller portions. So I'm gonna go ahead and break my leg in half. Remove the wing. Same thing, excess fat, I want to get rid of it. This is going to go in half. I'm also removing the skin because I'm going to prepare it today. Depends on what I'm going to do with my chicken. I remove the skin if necessary. Today we're going to be removing the skin. I'm frying chicken or maybe baking it, I usually keep the skin on. So in here, there's some more fat that we're gonna remove on the edge. Here we go. Coming along nicely. Now we're gonna get in here. Just use your butter knife. All that fat in between the bone and the rib, we're gonna get it out. See? The bony pieces I keep because this is actually my favorite. But any extra veins, stuff like that, you know, I'm gonna get rid of it. Here we go. So the breast. Usually just get some holes in so that when I season, all that flavor seeps right through your breast. So we're almost done with half. I usually do this preparation sometimes a week in advance. Like once I get home from the grocery store, I prep my meat and put it away in Ziplocs in the freezer. So a lot of questions I get sometimes is, how do you make all these meals? You're a full-time mom, you have a full-time job, and where do you find time to cook? Because I prep ahead. So that's my tactic. I make it a routine that once I go to the grocery store and I'm home, whatever they can chop for me, I have them chop it. Whatever they can't, I do it myself. I come home, I clean, I prep, and I freeze. So it's like 1, 2, 3 when it's time for me to cook. So if you implement that into your schedule, guys, then you'll find that it's not that bad. So all this is very important. This is the thigh. And this comes with a lot of fat, a lot of excess. Look at this. You want to take this out. How many times have you been to restaurants or, you know, fast food places that sells chicken? Turn it around and look in here. You're not supposed to see all that. And I use the butter knife because of the angle that I hold it, I don't want to cut myself. So that's why I feel comfortable going in with the butter knife for this part. So it's nice and clean. I see something that the knife can't get out, so I'm going to grab my scissor. Take it out. And then there's some excess fat here. I'm going to move that out. Feel free to use the gloves as well. I don't. I prefer to go in bare hand. The gloves holds me back, actually. I don't know how to function. So a lot of you I know may be saying, ew, that's so gross. I'm gonna just break it in half. But you see, it's clean. There's some vein in here. Ooh, see, I got it. that vein, I always take it out. I do not want to be eating my chicken thigh and see this vein. All right, so the chicken is clean. We're gonna clean up this mess. Sorry, it's not clean yet. It's cut. We're gonna clean up this mess. Let me get rid of all of this. We are almost finished. Here I have some vinegar, and this is what I use to clean my chicken. I'm almost out anyway, so. And some lemon. Get everything out of it. Alrighty, guys. The chicken is, well, it has lemon juice and vinegar. I'm gonna add some cold water. So I've added a extra bowl, which is empty, and I'm just transferring my cleaned, washed chicken, shaking off all that water, and I'm transferring it into the new bowl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys next time.